Now, a lot of investors get really worried when the markets are falling and they see the share prices coming down. Now, investors need to understand when they're buying any share, they are essentially becoming owners of a company. And at what price they become the owners of that company is dependent on the traded value in the market. Now, any company when it's falling down and if the fundamentals have not changed, it's a great opportunity to go and buy that same company at a lower value. So, in case of rapid falls in prices across the market, investors have to think of it as a discount sale going on. And if there is no change in long-term assumptions, you should forget all the macro noise around the event and just go ahead and buy good stocks of great management for the long term. Now, Quantum follows a value investment style, and for us, we are seeking out opportunities where companies are available at a discount to their intrinsic value. And falling markets offer a great opportunity for us to go and buy great managements at valuations that we did not think they would come to. And once we get those companies at those valuations, even if it falls further, we are not that worried because we know we've entered at a great price, and in the long term, we will end up making a decent amount of returns. My advice to investors is, if the markets are falling rapidly and if you've identified a set of great companies with great managements, please use this fall as an opportunity to enter into these companies with a long-term view. If the stock price continues to fall further, please ignore that. If you have money, you can average the position out. But if you have identified a great company with great management, just go ahead and buy and then look at the same company 5 years later. I'm pretty certain you would have made your long-term returns and fairly decent returns compared to what you would have made had you bought that company in a rising market.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.